Hello children, now topic is line segment. All of you know that what is a line segment. So the line segment is a fixed portion of a line. It is a fixed portion of a line. Consider the line L. Consider 2 points A and B. Now the portion of the line between the points A and B is called the line segment AB. The portion of the line between the points A and B is called the line segment AB. And A and B are known as the endpoints of the line segment. A and B are known as the endpoints of the line segment. And the line segment AB is denoted by AB. It is denoted as AB, or we can write as BA. And it is read as line segment AB or line segment BA, and A and B are the endpoints. Now next, what is meant by the length of a line segment? The distance between the endpoints is known as the length of the line segment. The distance between the endpoints is known as the length of the line segment. The distance between the endpoints of a line segment is its length, and the length of the line segment AB. So, length of line segment AB we can write as AB is equal to length of line segment AB, and we can write it as AB is equal to, for example, AB is equal to 5 centimeter we can write. And if you take another line segment CD, we can write as a 6.2 centimeter. So, the length of a line segment is measured in terms of a centimeter or centimeter and millimeters. Then how can you measure a line segment? We have two methods. Using a ruler we can measure the length of a line segment, then again or by a ruler and a divider we can find out the length of a line segment. Now we will look into the first one. How can you measure the length of a line segment using a ruler? So before that we want to learn about the ruler. Now here you can see the picture of a ruler. Here the ruler is divided into 15 equal parts. We can say that this is a 15 centimeter ruler, and the ruler is marked, or the ruler is divided into 15 equal parts. Then each of these parts is of length 1 centimeter. The length of each part is 1 centimeter, and each of these 1 centimeter is again divided into 10 sub parts. You can see 10 sub parts, and these sub parts, the length of each sub part is 1 millimeter. The length of each subpart is 1 millimeter. So, the length of the ruler we can say that it is 15 centimeter. The meaning is that it is divided into 15 equal parts, and the length of each part is 1 centimeter. Then again each centimeter is again divided into 10 subparts, and the length of each subpart is 1 millimeter. Now look at here. Here the distance between 0 and 1 we can call it as 1 centimeter. Here you can see 10 subparts, and the length of each subpart is 1 millimeter. So we can say that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, because this 1 centimeter is divided into 10 subparts, and the length of each subpart is millimeter. Therefore, we can say that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. Again 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Now look at here. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So we can say that 2 centimeter equal to 20 millimeters. Then 3 centimeter we can say that it is 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. Therefore 4 centimeter means it is a 40 millimeters. Again 1 millimeter equal to 0.1 centimeter. Therefore, 2 millimeter we can take as 0.2 centimeter. Then 3 millimeters we can take as 0.3 centimeter. Then look at that. How can you measure the length of a line segment? Suppose here the line segment AB is given. Okay, how to find out the length of the line segment AB? Now you have to place the 0 mark of the ruler at A. The 0 mark of the ruler at A. Then you have to read the mark on the ruler which coincides with B. So look at that. The mark on the ruler which coincides with B. So which point here you can see that the value is 6 and that will give you the length of the line segment AB. And here you have to mark, that means you have to place the 0 mark of the ruler at A, and after that you have to read the mark on the ruler which coincides with B, and this gives the length of AB. So we can say that length of AB we can write as AB equal to 6 centimeter. The length of AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Then again consider another line segment CD. What is the length of CD? So what we have to do? Place the 0 mark of the ruler at C. Okay, you have to keep at C. Then you have to read the mark on the ruler which coincides with the D. Now look at that, what is that point? So it coincides with here. So here we have the small divisions we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that length of CD equal to 10, we have a 10 centimeter, then 5 small divisions. So 10 centimeter, 5 millimeter. We can say that the length of CD is 10 centimeter, 5 millimeter. Instead of writing in that way, we can write down the length of CD as 10.5 centimeter. So 5 millimeter means we can say that it is 5 millimeter is 0.5 centimeter. So 10 centimeter, 5 millimeter we can write as 10.5 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the line segment CD is 10.5 centimeter. Now, there are some disadvantages using this ruler. Sometimes the thickness of the ruler may cause difficulties in reading of the marks on it. The thickness of the ruler. Sometimes the thickness of the ruler may cause errors in reading the mark against the ruler. Then again, the second point is we have to keep our eye just vertically above the mark. We have to keep our eye just vertically above the mark, otherwise errors can occur. Now look at that wrong eye position. Okay, when you look at it in this way, again we have the wrong eye position. So this one will be the correct eye position. So we can say that otherwise errors can due to angular viewing. So errors can occur due to angular viewing. So these are the two disadvantages of using a ruler in order to find the length of a line segment. Then we can use the next method, that is measuring by a ruler and a divider. We can use a ruler and a divider in order to find out the length of a line segment. Suppose the line segment AB is given. We have to find the length of the line segment AB. So what you have to do? You have to open the divider and place the end point of its arms at A. That means one end point you have to place the end point of one of its arms at A and the end point of the second arm at B. Then after that you have to lift the divider and place it on the ruler. And the one endpoint should be at the 0 mark of the ruler, and the other endpoint should be the mark against the, and you have to read the mark against the other endpoint. So when you look at here, you can see that the length of the line segment AB is equal to, from here one endpoint is at 0 and the other endpoint is at 5. So we can say that the length of the line segment AB is 5 centimeter. So using a divider and a ruler, we can find out the length of a line segment. So better to use a ruler and a divider in order to find out the length of a line segment. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.